Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at a Keychain Multitool. This is the NexTool Mini Flagship Multitool pliers. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to support the channel. Thanks a lot. So this is a Keychain Multitool, meaning it's a small version. And NexTool is actually, I found out later, that's a brand by Xiaomi. Xiaomi is actually a telephone company from China, but they're around the world, definitely in Asia. So it's surprisingly that they have a brand which makes multi-tools. I found that quite interesting. So there is a full-size version. This is the mini version, just like if you think of multi-tools like Leatherman, there is the Wave, there's the Surge, the larger tools, and of course there are the smaller ones like the Micra or Squirt. So this is what you get. It is made from stainless steel, some specs that you can see over here. I won't go into the specs too much, at least not the exact specs. I really just want to show you what's this all about. It comes in this very simple but elegant packaging, and inside you've just got this sleeve with that silica pack, and that's basically it. And this is the tool over here. So there's a keychain, as it is a Keychain Multitool. In terms of the shape, there's a lot of curves. It's not boxy, let's say, like the Micra, but still has that kind of I guess obviously in a multi-tool look, and I guess just a lot of different shapes and size, maybe like almost like a transformer toy, I think. But let's open this up. This is the main tool. This is the pliers over here. Now the other tools in the handles, but we'll get to that in just a bit. So this is kind of the primary tool, but the great thing is on the other side you have another primary tool, and that's the pair of scissors. So this is really like the Leatherman Micra and Squirt combined, which I have over here. So the OG of these keychain tools is the Micra, and the Micra has this pair of scissors. But it doesn't have a pair of pliers. And the Squirt has a pair of pliers, but it doesn't have a pair of scissors. So this is kind of a two-in-one, and we just compare the scissors. It's slightly bigger than the Micra, but the tool overall is slightly bigger as well. Of course, that's to be expected. And then we just compare the pliers. It is also slightly bigger. So overall, the tool is bigger. This is a two-in-one, but of course, if you had to kind of compare these two together, they would be bigger than this one. So this is kind of condensing everything together, but in this kind of a design. So you may or may not like this form factor. I think it's still a great package to put in a pocket or into a small pouch. And then you get those two big primary tools, which of course I think very useful in a tool this size. Now other tools that you have, you've got screwdrivers, and I must say that the material is actually more sturdy than the Leatherman, or at least it feels that way, thicker and feels more sturdy. You've got this nice metal file as well as a flathead screwdriver tip. And over here we have a blade, very nice sheep's foot style blade. It doesn't lock, no locks here, but it's got a pretty good lockup. Now there's no half stop or anything, it's just basically opens and closes. And over here I believe we have got, yes, a combination of a cap lifter as well as a can opener. Great, basically different functions in the multi-tool over here. The only thing I think it doesn't have, no tweezers, and that would have been pretty nice, I think. But there is that keychain holder for you to put a lanyard or to connect to anything. So this is the NexTool Mini Flagship model. There is the main version, which I believe is basically a bigger version of this, a full-size version, just like a full Leatherman. But I got this because I was looking at Keychain Multitools, and I have, of course, these two, the Squirt and the Micra, for different kits. But just as having a two-in-one and bringing this about as part of an EDC, I think is pretty good. But what do you think? Do you own this NexTool Mini Flagship tool? What do you think of it? Let me know your comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.